This is what an ivy rush looks like. And maybe it's a little hard to see on the camera, but oh yeah, I'm not sure how well you can see, but it's just, I mean, it's just bees. It's bees, it's wasps, it's flies, horseflies, hoverflies. Maybe if I can just, yeah, there you go. It's just buzzing, and they're just completely ignoring us all around us, probably hundreds or thousands, easily thousands, going all over this. And this goes all the way down. So this is what the bees are bringing in right now. This is the ivy rush. It's very early. And it looks like what ivy looks like when it's coming in. I literally just said this to Olivia, now I'm repeating it. God, yeah, it's just, I've just never really noticed it. I must have run past this and walked past this kind of stuff hundreds of times in my life. I'm trying to see if I can pick some up, but you can just see things flitting. Oop, got some on me. And there's the bee just there with tons of pollen on it. And it's just bringing in so much. The camera does not do it justice. This bush is more buzzing than leaves, honestly. It's ridiculous. The camera's probably only picking up little bits. So this is the last big push for bees, or the last major flow in this area in the UK, and I think all over the Western world, because ivy's everywhere. And it produces a honey, that is, it's interesting. Olivia likes it. It's kind of like it's the Marmite of honey. People like it or hate it. One of those things. Oh yeah, here we go. But it's commonly used and traditionally used to make mead. And that's what we'll be doing with it once we harvest. We're going to be doing an inspection later today, actually. Because it's been about a week and a half since the flow has begun. This is crazy everywhere. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what kind of honey production our hive has gotten up to. Because, I mean, some of these are probably our bees, but most of them are there's like 24 hives about 100 yards away. So most of them are this. But there's also just tons of wasps. There's going to be European hornets that are here hawking, trying to kill bees. But, you know, this is free nectar for the wasps. They don't even seem to be going for the bees. The wasps just seem to be going for the nectar. I'm absolutely covered in bumblebees and wasps and bees, and they're just utterly ignoring me because I don't taste as good as this. So that's what an ivy rush looks like, or ivy flow rather. And that's what flowering ivy looks like. And it goes all the way down here. It's difficult to articulate on camera, but if you ever see a big ivy bush and it's early September to early October, have a look and you might see this. It's pretty awesome.